Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best stadium seat cushions on the market, the Barstool Sports Comfortable Soft Foam Stadium Cushion. If you're tired of uncomfortable seating at sporting events or concerts, this might just be the solution you've been looking for. The Barstool Sports Stadium Cushion is designed not only for comfort but also for durability and portability. Whether you're sitting on hard bleachers or uncomfortable chairs for long periods, this cushion promises relief from tailbone pain and pressure, making your stadium experience much more enjoyable. Let's talk about its features. Made from premium quality foam, this cushion offers over 3/4 inch of soft support, ensuring you can sit comfortably for hours. It's lightweight and comes with a built-in handle, making it easy to carry around. Plus, it's water-resistant, so you don't have to worry about it getting damp if the weather turns. What sets this cushion apart is its versatility. Whether you're a sports enthusiast, a concert goer, or even just looking for extra comfort at outdoor events, the Barstool Sports Stadium Cushion delivers. It's designed to reduce back pain, relieve pressure on your hips, and provide much-needed support for your back and tailbone. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable stadium seat cushion that combines comfort, durability, and portability, look no further than the Barstool Sports Comfortable Soft Foam Stadium Cushion. It's a game-changer for anyone who values comfort during long hours of sitting. Click the link in the description to get your own Barstool Sports Stadium Cushion today and upgrade your stadium seating experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more product reviews and recommendations from Product Critique. Thanks for watching.